Today, I'm super excited to show you something that's completely changing the game for content creation. Imagine being able to create professional-looking videos with ultra-realistic AI avatars in just minutes. You may find various AI avatar generator platforms that can create talking photos and avatar videos, but there is a catch. On these platforms, either you can generate photos and make them talk without any gestures or select a pre-trained avatar. You can't call them your own avatar. Anyone using the platform can use the avatar. Now check this out.
Concept of artificial intelligence, AI, dates back to ancient times, with myths and stories about intelligent automatons. However, the modern history of AI began in the 20th century.
Pretty amazing, right? And the best part? You don't need any complex video editing skills or expensive equipment. Let me show you exactly how it works. Okay, I am talking about Jogg AI, one of the best AI tools for content creators and marketers. You can create videos and generate ads from any product URL with hyper-realistic avatars and natural-sounding voiceovers. To find Jogg AI, simply search for Jogg AI on your search engine or click on the link in the description. After coming to the Jogg AI homepage, you have to create an account first. Click on Get Started for free from here and then create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. First, you will notice the URL to video ad maker. With this feature, you can create amazing product ads using only the product URL. We already made a video on this feature, which you can watch from the I button. After that, you will find several features like text to avatar, custom avatar, and text to avatar video. At the bottom, you will find a vast library of templates. You can select any one and edit it to make your own video. Alright, let's create our own avatar. To do so, we have to select the Text to Avatar feature from here. Here, you will find two options. The first one is Generate from Text Prompts, and the second one is Upload an existing image. Let's start with the Generate option. Okay, here in the top right corner, you will find two options. The first one is Customize Avatar Photo, and the second one is Generate Avatar Motion. The second is basically to generate avatars from images. However, I will start from scratch, so I will go with the first option. First, we have to select the preset style. Here, you will find two options. Social, which is to generate a casual avatar perfect for content creators, and Professional, which is to generate a professional avatar perfect for corporate and marketing use. This time, I will go with Social. Next, we have to set some settings. First, the age, then the gender, and then ethnicity. Once you are done, come to the detail box. Here, you have to enter the detailed prompts of your avatar. For tutorial purposes, I am using a random prompt. You can use your own. Next, enter the background prompt in this box. After that, we have to enter the talking pose. This is important. Mention your avatar's talking pose. Next, we have to set the aspect ratio between portrait and landscape. In the end, set the number of images you want to generate. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button to generate the images. As it will take some time, we have to wait. And here it is. Our images are ready. It's pretty quick. The image quality is good. However, if you don't like the images, you can always regenerate them. Once you find the best avatar image, click on the Generate Motion button from here. Alright, this is the Avatar Motion Generator interface. First, here, you can resize or crop the image if you want. Next, we have the Emotion feature. To turn on the Emotion feature on your avatar, toggle this feature on. Once you turn on the emotion, you have to set the emotion you want to use. For example, I am selecting Relaxed. After that, turn on the gesture option from here. Once you are done, hit the Generate button. And here it is. The motion is now generating. It will take some time, so let's fast forward this part. Alright, our avatar is ready. Let's see the first look. It's pretty good. It looks so realistic. However, like the image, if you don't like the motion, you can always regenerate it. I think it's perfect for me. Let's move forward now. To create the avatar with this avatar, click on the Create Avatar button from here. Now, we have to enter the name of the avatar. Set a name for your avatar. After entering a name, enter a detailed description of your avatar. Next, you have to set a welcome message. I am entering a random message. After that, we have to choose a voice for our avatar. Although we can customize it later, my suggestion is to give proper time to select a suitable voiceover. Later, it will save a huge amount of time. In the voice option, you will find a bunch of options. You can set filters to find the best one. Okay, now, if you want to share the avatar with the community, keep it turned on. Jogg AI recently launched the AI Avatar community, where you can get recognition for your work. This means the world will know about your creation and can use your model. You can also participate in the Avatar Showcase Challenge. If you participate in the Avatar Showcase Challenge, you will receive 50 credits for the top 8 most interactive entries and 100 credits for officially selected works. You can earn both rewards as well, so don't miss this opportunity. Alright, once you are ready, hit the Confirm button. Now Jogg AI will train our avatar. It will take some time, so grab a cup of coffee or do your other tasks. I am fast forwarding this part. And here it is. Our avatar is ready. Now, you can create any kind of video with this avatar. Let's create a video with this avatar. There are 2 options available here, Pro Edit and Create Talking Avatar Video. Pro Edit is for generating videos in a professional-looking video editor interface. The Create Talking Avatar Video option is for generating a video only with a script. We already talked about the Pro Edit feature in our previous Jogg AI video. You can watch it from the I button. For testing purposes, I will use the easy method. After coming to this page, we have to enter the script. You can type your script here in this box. If you already have a voiceover clip, you can upload it from here. I am entering a text script. After entering the script, set the aspect ratio and then the screen style. If you want to generate a video with the original background, then use the original screen. If you want to generate it in a green screen for further editing, then use the second option. After that, if you want subtitles on your video, you can turn them on from here. Next, if you want to remove the Jogg AI watermark, you have to buy a premium plan that starts at only $15 per month. My suggestion is to go with a creator plan, where you will get 360 credits per year and can generate up to 7,200 photos or 180 motions with unlimited video creation. For the creator plan, you only have to pay $39 per month. Okay, if you want to change the avatar, you can change it from here. And to change the voice, click here. This time, I won't change anything. Alright, now, to generate the video, click on the Render Video button from here and then wait some time to render the video. And here it is. Our video is ready. Let's have a look. This is amazing. So now, you can create a brand new AI image and turn it into a hyper-realistic talking avatar with Jogg AI. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!